Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an MJ Whip Backhander. So MJ being short for Modern Jive, and obviously Whip being something you'd normally do in West Coast Swing. Really useful if you already know how to do a backhander, really useful if you already know how to do an MJ Whip. So links to those two moves in the description below in case they're not in your repertoire already, and as soon as you've got those skills in your toolbox, you're going to be ready for one of these. It goes 7 and 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so let's break it down. It starts off just like a first move. We go semicircle and back, we come in side by side. Now on the next count, just like a normal MJ whip, we twist the ladies out. Guys cut across the lady to get out of the way. So basically we're heading over to the left, guys. Now normally you would just slide the lady back through, but what's going to happen is we're going to give the lady more rotation than usual, and we're going to throw the hand that's in our left around behind the lady. So as we bring the lady through, we throw the hand around. We're effectively spinning the lady, catching the hand as she comes round, and then bringing her all the way to face and flicking back into the left. So it basically goes from the left to the right and back to the left again, and then all we've got to do, return and step back. So you want to get some emphasis on the point where you come round to face, so it's really kind of a big moment in the move. So let's break down the count. We go back 1, in, 2, twist out, cut across, 3. This is where we generate what is effectively a spin. So we're bringing the lady through, 4, big emphasis, 5, returning 6 and back 7. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, MJ Whip, backhander, back, in, across, throw the hand, back to the front, return, and you're done. Hope you find that useful. Hope you enjoy it out on the dance floor. Most backhanders have a thumb down on the back of the lady's hand before them, and you could do that just beforehand, just gently, to give the lady an idea that you really do intend her arm to go up behind her back. But it works perfectly well with someone who's never met the signal, and you just lead it. But if you want to be a kind of purist, old-fashioned style, then there's no reason why you can't do that. Okay, so hope you enjoy it. Take it out onto the dance floor, have a good time with it. Music recommendation on the end in the last few seconds of the video. One of the windows will be a music recommendation. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.